Achieve financial freedom, $10,000 per month proven formula. Are you fed up with living month to month, struggling to make ends meet? Want to shatter the cycle of financial stress and build a life of prosperity? Are you tired of the daily grind, working long hours just to make ends meet? Dreaming of a life where you call the shots and financial worries are a thing of the past? Well, what if I told you that this dream is not out of reach? That you hold the key to unlocking a life of financial independence and freedom? So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will change the way you think about money and empower you to design the life of your dreams. Let's dive in. We're going to reveal the blueprint to achieving $10,000 per month and gaining the financial freedom you deserve. Hey there, freedom seekers! Today, we're going to share a proven formula to achieve financial freedom, a whopping $10,000 per month. Yes, it's possible, and we'll show you how. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to achieving financial freedom, a goal that many dream of but few truly attain. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you have the financial security to live life on your own terms, without worrying about money. Well, it's not just a dream, it's within your reach. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step proven formula to help you achieve $10,000 per month and gain the financial freedom you deserve. Step 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards financial freedom is to set clear and specific goals. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom mean to you? How much do you need to achieve it? By setting clear goals, you'll have a roadmap to follow and stay motivated along the way. Step 2. Increase your income streams. Next, focus on increasing your income streams. Don't rely solely on your job. Explore other opportunities such as freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in passive income sources like stocks or real estate. The key is to diversify your income and create multiple streams of revenue. 1. Identify your strengths. Take inventory of your skills, experiences, and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These can be your starting points for freelancing. 2. Explore freelance platforms. Sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms offer a wide range of gigs, from writing and graphic design to virtual assistants and data entry. You don't need advanced skills to get started. Many tasks require basic computer literacy and a willingness to learn. 3. Start with small projects. Don't be afraid to start small. Look for entry-level tasks that match your skills and interests. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates and take on more challenging projects. 4. Build your portfolio. Showcase your work and skills on your profile. Create a portfolio website or use platforms like Behance or LinkedIn to highlight your projects and accomplishments. A strong portfolio can help you attract clients and stand out from the competition. 5. Network and market yourself. Leverage social media and professional networks to promote your services. Join relevant groups and forums, participate in discussions, and share valuable insights. Networking can lead to new opportunities and referrals from satisfied clients. 6. Invest in continuous learning. Keep improving your skills and knowledge to stay competitive in the freelance marketplace. Take online courses, attend workshops, and seek feedback from clients to enhance your expertise. 7. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. 8. Offer online courses or coaching. Share your knowledge and skills by creating online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coach.me make it easy to create and sell digital courses or provide one-on-one coaching sessions. 9. Freelance writing or content creation. If you have strong writing skills, consider freelancing as a content writer or copywriter. Many businesses and websites are in constant need of quality content for their blogs, websites, and marketing materials. 10. Sell handmade products or crafts. If you're crafty or artistic, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business by selling handmade products or crafts online. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade provide a marketplace for artisans to showcase and sell their creations. 11. Offer virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants are in high demand for tasks such as administrative support, social media management, email management, and customer service. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to entrepreneurs, small businesses, or busy professionals. 12. Monetize your hobbies or talents, whether it's photography, graphic design, music, or cooking. There are endless opportunities to monetize your hobbies or talents. Offer your services for events, freelancing gigs, or create digital products like ebooks, printables, or photography prints. 13. Rent out your space or assets. If you have extra space in your home or assets like a car, camera equipment, or tools, consider renting them out to earn passive income. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama make it easy to list and rent out your assets to others. By diversifying your income streams and exploring various side hustle opportunities, you can increase your earning potential and accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. Remember to choose opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and goals. And don't be afraid to try new things and take calculated risks along the way. Step 3. Budget and save wisely. Once you start earning more, it's essential to budget and save wisely. Track your expenses, prioritize your spending, and cut out unnecessary costs. Remember, every dollar you save is a step closer to your financial goals. Step 4. Invest for the future, exploring digital and online investment opportunities. Investing for the future doesn't always mean traditional avenues like stocks and real estate. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to invest online in digital products and ventures. Let's delve into some safe and secure digital investment options. 1. Invest in digital assets. Digital assets, such as cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens (NFTs), have gained popularity in recent years. While they can be volatile, they offer opportunities for significant returns. Start by researching reputable cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals and use cases. Consider platforms that offer secure storage solutions, such as hardware wallets, to protect your investments. 2. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. Peer-to-peer P2P lending platforms connect investors with borrowers, allowing you to earn interest by lending money to individuals or small businesses. These platforms typically offer diversification options to spread your risk across multiple loans. Look for established P2P lending platforms with robust risk assessment processes and investor protection mechanisms. 3. Invest in online businesses. Another option is to invest in online businesses or startups through equity crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to invest in early-stage companies in exchange for equity or a stake in their future profits. Conduct thorough due diligence on the business model, management team, and growth potential before investing. 4. Digital real estate. Invest in virtual real estate assets such as domain names, websites, or digital storefronts. Domain flipping involves buying and selling domain names for a profit, while website flipping involves purchasing and improving existing websites to sell at a higher price. Look for platforms that facilitate secure transactions and provide valuation tools and market insights. 5. Stock market investments. While not purely digital, investing in publicly traded technology companies or online platforms can be a way to capitalize on the digital economy's growth. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, innovative products or services, and a track record of sustainable growth. Consider investing in diversified ETFs or index funds that track technology or e-commerce sectors for broader exposure. 6 are robo-advisors and online investment platforms. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to manage your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. These platforms offer low fees, diversification, and hassle-free investing. Choose a reputable robo-advisor with a proven track record and robust security measures to safeguard your investments. 7. Educational resources and digital courses. Invest in yourself by purchasing online courses, ebooks, or digital resources that enhance your skills and knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare offer a wide range of courses on topics ranging from personal finance and investing to digital marketing and entrepreneurship. When investing in digital and online assets, it's essential to conduct thorough research, diversify your investments, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Be wary of scams and fraudulent schemes. By leveraging the opportunities offered by the digital economy, you can build a diversified investment portfolio that... Step 5. Manage debt effectively. Debt can be a major obstacle on the path to financial freedom. Make it a priority to pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards and personal loans. Consider consolidating your debts or negotiating with creditors to lower your interest rates and monthly payments. Step 6. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is key to long-term success. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Attend seminars, read books, and follow reputable financial experts to stay informed and empowered. Step 7. Stay committed and persistent. Achieving financial freedom requires commitment and persistence. Stay focused on your goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal of $10,000 per month and beyond. Congratulations! You now have the tools and knowledge to embark on your journey towards financial freedom. By following these proven methods and staying disciplined, you can achieve your goal of $10,000 per month and gain the financial security and peace of mind you deserve. Remember, the key is to take consistent action and never lose sight of your dreams. There you have it, a proven formula to achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's not rocket science, but it does require discipline and consistency. Start today, and you'll be on your way to a life of abundance and freedom. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.